nuclear models are necessary to understand and explain the observed properties of nucleus. To give insight about the exact form of internucleon interaction, there are three different kinds of nuclear models. They are liquid drop model, shell model, and collective model. Collective model complements the shell model by including motions of the whole nucleus such as rotations and vibrations. Liquid drop model. Liquid drop model was proposed by George Gamow and Niels Bohr, and it was applied by von Weizsäcker and H.A. Bay to develop semi-empirical mass formula. And it is called liquid drop model because nuclei are assumed to behave in a similar way to a liquid. Nuclear properties such as binding energy are described in terms of volume energy, surface energy, compressibility, etc. And these are the parameters that are usually associated with a liquid. This model has been successful in describing how a nucleus can deform and undergo fission. Liquid drop model. Assumptions. Nucleus consists of incompressible matter. The fluid is made of nucleons which are held together by a strong nuclear force. Nuclear force is identical for all nucleons. Nuclear force saturates, that is, the nuclear force is a short range force that appears to act only between neighboring nucleons. Here, nucleus is considered to be analogous to liquid drop. There are some similarities between nucleus and liquid drop. Nuclear force holds the nucleons together. Similarly, molecules in a liquid drop are held together by van der Waals force or surface tension. Nuclear matter density is almost a constant, that is independent of mass number A. Similarly, density of liquid is independent of the size of the liquid drop. Binding energy per nucleon in nucleus is analogous to latent heat of vaporization in liquid drop. Disintegration of nucleus is analogous to evaporation of molecules from the liquid drop. Formation of compound nucleus is analogous to condensation of liquid drop. There are some differences between nucleus and liquid drop. Nucleus shows quantum behavior since it contains protons and neutrons. Liquid drop shows classical behavior since it contains molecules. Nuclear force is always attractive, but in liquid drop, molecular interaction is attractive when atomic orbitals do not overlap and becomes repulsive when they overlap. Nuclear force is short range force, but the molecular force is long range. The kinetic energy of nucleons is of the order 10 mega electron volt, but the kinetic energy of molecules in liquid drop is of the order 0.1 electron volt. De Broglie wavelength is of the order of nucleon-nucleon separation. De Broglie wavelength is much smaller than intermolecular distance in liquid drop. Merits and demerits of liquid drop model. Merits. It helps to predict the nuclear binding energy. It helps to explain the stability of nuclei. The radioactive phenomenon can be explained with the help of this model. Nuclear fission can be understood on the basis of this model. Demerits. It does not explain all the properties of the nucleus. It does not explain the high stability of nuclei with the magic number. The concept of pairing cannot be explained with this model. The discontinuities in binding energy per nucleon cannot be explained. It is not successful in interpreting the breaking of nuclei in lighter elements. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this class.